we are going to learn dative cases and dative preposition. And to proceed with that, it's important to for me to know that if you understand accusative preposition and accusative case or not.
Accusative preposition and accusative case.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So what all accusative prepositions are there?
The accusative prepositions, they are um, hello.
I mean, have you done that
Uh,
previously?
uh, yeah. No, sorry. There
Okay.
was I think so. My headset went off. That's why.
Okay. Okay. That's fine if you like. If you want us to revise that.
Are you referring to the accusative preposition that bis, durch, or the
Yes, they
vexel
are
ones?
preposition. No, no, no. The Excel one are
Uh-huh.
different. Accusative ones are different.
Yeah,
So
vexel
the
ones are the ones you use in accusative and dative, right?
yes,
In
but
both
I am
positions.
yes that they basically differs as per the situation, as per the question.
Okay.
Vexel
Okay.
prepositions. Vexel. So let me show the screen again, which I shared previously.
Because
So,
okay.
so this is something I showed you previously. I told you that
Mm-hmm.
there are different type of prepositions: accusative,
Mm-hmm.
dative, and vexel. So this particular one in the
Okay.
center, we did find vexel prepositions. These are vexel prepositions, two-way prepositions.
Yeah. Yeah.
They can either be
Yeah.
used in accusative case or in dative
Mm-hmm.
case, but they will remain
Yeah.
vexel prepositions only, right? But
Yeah.
apart from these prepositions, there are separate accusative prepositions which are fixed accusative only, and then there are dative
Okay.
prepositions which are fixed dative only. So I am asking if you are aware of this blue highlighted prepositions: bis, few, douche, gegen, ohne,
Yeah.
um.
Bills, douche, and lang for gegen ohne doen. Yeah.
Okay. So today we would be doing the dative case, what exactly the dative case is, and what all
Mm-hmm.
dative prepositions are there, and basis that
Mm-hmm.
how the personal pronouns, the normal
Mm-hmm.
pronouns, and the bestimmt and unbestimmt articles changes as per these dative prepositions and dative cases. Okay.
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 To start with, let's understand first what is basically dative case. So dative case is
Mm-hmm.
basically third case in any particular sentence. So nominative
Mm-hmm.
case is basically a what case? Mm,
Mm-hmm.
who case basically, then accusative is what case, and then dative is who or
Hello.
maybe for whom. Hello, I'm audible to you, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
No, voice was breaking in the middle. That's the reason I cannot hear you.
Maybe some internet issues are there.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So I was saying,
Mm-hmm.
uh, so nominative is basically a who case, accusative is basically a what case, dative is to whom or whose or for whom. So whom case basically, to whom, for whom, or like whom basically. That is a third case,
To
or maybe
whom
to whom.
or for? Okay. To whom and for
Like the
whom?
third,
Okay.
yes, the third case, maybe, or you can say the second object. In each sentence we have one subject and one object, so when we have a third
Mm-hmm.
object which is being impacted indirectly, that is a
Mm-hmm.
dative. We will have it
Okay.
more clarified in further explanation, but these are like three type of cases and how they are defined.
Okay.
We'll,
Hello.
where is air, so where case is nominative case. Ich kaufe, so was kaufst
I
du,
think so.
what are you buying, so that's
Your screen is
accusative.
stuck.
Just a second. Fine now.
Yeah,
Okay.
but
So, but any issue?
no, no. First, I couldn't see anything. It was like frozen. Now it's
Oh,
okay.
Okay, okay. So let me clarify it once again. As I was saying, nominative
Mhm.
is basically a who case. Wie zum Beispiel, wer ist er? So in
Okay.
any sentence where you can put question, who is doing something. So that who
Mhm.
particularly would be a nominative thing in a sentence.
Okay.
Accusative
Okay.
thing would be a what thing. Like here, ich kaufe ein Buch. What are you buying? So I am buying a book. So
Okay.
this ein Buch is accusative and this ich is
Mhm.
nominative. Who is buying the book? I am buying a
Mhm.
book. What are you
Okay.
buying? I am buying a book. So this is what
Mhm.
and this is who. So that's
Who?
how nominative and accusative work. Yes. So
Okay.
uh, ich kaufe. So this particular thing, mm,
Near.
so yes,
Dative.
the mayor would be for whom the he has got a Geschenk. So for
A
whom,
gift.
or to whom
Mhm.
he has gifted a present. So er is
Mhm.
who has bought the gift, what has he bought, what is Geschenk, and for whom
Mhm.
is me, for me or for you. So
Mhm.
this er
Okay.
is nominative, this Geschenk is
Okay.
accusative, and then me in the sentence is dative, who is being impacted
Dative.
indirectly, or the lazy case. Uh,
Okay.
that is nominative. Just highlighting it. Then that is highlighted, and then that is accusative. This class, so that
Mhm.
would be easy for you to differentiate nominative, accusative, and
Okay.
nominative. This is like understand in more detail. The table already, like previously, how the unbestimmt
Mhm.
articles work. So you can see this
Mhm.
bold highlighted case
Okay.
where there changes to den for masculine, that is
Mhm.
masculine.
Mhm.
Then this neutral,
Mhm.
den, there on den. The articles
Mhm.
change in dative case. That is something you are aware of already.
Okay.
This happens with unbestimmt articles also. The
Mhm.
same. Einem, einem,
Mhm.
einer, pure feminine, and then
Mhm.
keinen oder meinen. So en would be added in the plural case for unbestimmt or
Okay.
bestimmt. So dem, dem, there, und den. M, R, and N. That is the
Okay. That's dative.
yes. So I'm just adding a plus sign so that you can differentiate कि extra क्या change हुआ है उसमें. So dem like M, M, dem, there, und den. Klar?
Okay. Your screen is frozen.
Again, it's frozen. I'm just sharing it again. Better now?
It's not come yet. Okay, now it's come. Yes.
Okay, I think something has happened with my laptop in the morning. It's like hanging a lot today.
You're outside today or at home?
No, no, I'm at home only, working from home. No?
Okay.
Yeah. So you understand now, like if not 100%, you've got a basic idea how the dative case
Mm.
works. If we have given a long
Mm.
sentence with one subject and two objects, you would be able to differentiate which one is nominative, which one is accusative, and which one is dative. Right?
Yeah, because the direct object will be accusative and the indirect object will be dative.
Right. So when to use dative case. So
Mm-hmm.
as I said, that is basically an indirect object.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, let us review these sentences, and then where the dative case is, that will be more clear. So ich gebe der Frau ein Buch.
Mm-hmm.
So which one is
Mm-hmm.
the who case here?
Uh, ish is nominative, ein
Hmm.
Buch is accusative, and the Frau is dative.
Yes, die Frau. So that has been changed to their Frau.
There.
The Frau is
Frau.
changed to their. So to whom I am giving a book? To the female. So die
Okay.
Frau would change to der.
Mm. There.
Similarly, er geschenkt
Mm-hmm.
mir ein Buch or er schenkt mir ein Buch. Er is who,
Yeah.
ein Buch is what,
Eh,
and to who is the dative case to me.
mm-hmm.
Das ist noch einmal dative case. Now, third sentence, read it out.
Ich habe das dem Mann schon gesagt. So ich is the nominative. To whom is the man? So that's dative. And to what is giving? Schon gesagt. So gesagt is the accusative.
Mm, like, although das here is accusative basically, so this sentence means I have already told this or something to that man. So this or
Okay.
basically something which you have, this das is not an article here. When this particular
Uh-huh.
das is not followed by any noun, that means that. If das
Okay.
has been placed before any noun, that means the
Mm-hmm.
article, which means the.
Okay.
Let's
Okay.
say I'm saying ich habe das schon gesagt. So this
Was
das gesagt. So this particular das here means that. I have already
that
said that. Ich habe das schon
that.
gesagt. Because
Mm-hmm.
this das is not followed by
Okay.
any noun, is not placed before any noun. But let's say
Okay.
ich habe das Buch. So Buch is a noun. So this
Mm-hmm.
particular das would be an article here, which means the I have the book or I have a book. So this das would be
Okay.
considered as an article here because that has been placed just before the noun. But
Okay.
here, in this particular case, this das has not been placed before a noun. Them has been placed before the noun, which has been changed to them.
Okay.
Their man would change
Okay.
to they man.
Mm-hmm.
Now, hence, wir kaufen.
Wir kaufen unsere Mutter ein Geschenk.
Yes.
So where unsere
Hmm.
Mutter is the dative one and ein Geschenk is the accusative. But
Yes. Because to whom you have purchased, for whom you have purchased the gift for the mother or
for
our
your mother, our
yes.
mother.
So unser, our, the Mutter, that
Mhm.
would change to their Mutter. So
Okay.
unser
Unser Mutter.
plus their, so unserer
Mm-hmm.
Mutter and their Mutter. So unserer
Their
Mutter
Mutter. Unser
ein
Mutter.
Geschenk. Because the Mutter and then in that would change to their.
Their.
So unser plus their Mutter versus unserer Mutter.
Mm-hmm.
Klar?
Klar.
Okay. Now let's see some more sentences in English. The salesman offered the customer the car. So now we have three underlined objects here. So tell me which one
Mm-hmm.
is accusative, which one is nominative, and which one is dative across
The
all.
salesman is the salesman is a nominative. The customer which is there is dative, and the car which is there is the accusative.
Okay, very good.
Because
The
the
next,
car is what
yeah, the car is
we
what?
we are bringing. We are bringing her the meal. So the meal which is there is what is accusative. Her to whom is dative, and where is nominative.
Yeah. Then I lent my
Then
stereo to you.
you to you. I is ish, so it's who, so it's nominative. Then what I've lent is to you, so you will be the no, accusative, and uh,
No, 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 no. You're getting it wrong
no,
here.
no, you stereo is what, so it'll be accusative, and to
Yes.
you is dative.
Right. That does not mean anything which has placed in between
Yeah,
would be dative only. No.
yeah, that's what.
Yeah. So keep in
Then
mind
he.
this to whom or for whom would be dative.
Mhm. Okay. So then he will be nominative.
Hmm.
Everything will be accusative,
Hmm.
and wife will be dative.
Right. Then number few.
Then the realtor sold the house to us. Realtor is nominative, us is dative, and house is accusative.
Right. Then the last one.
And for my dog, I'm buying a chew toy. For my dog, I'm buying I. So the my dog is dative,
Hmm.
and I is nominative, and chew
Hmm.
toy is accusative.
Yes. Now, uh, so before doing more exercises, let's see this table first.
Hmm.
These are like mm, so these are like pronouns, and then how the pronouns would change to dative case.
Okay.
Accusative we are already aware how this changes.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's learn
Mm-hmm.
dative. So ish would change to mere.
Mm-hmm.
Ish I near to me,
Mm-hmm.
or for me. Do would change to dear, that means to you
Mm-hmm.
or for you. Er would change
Mm-hmm.
to ihm, to him or for
Mm-hmm.
him. Ich kaufe for ihm ein Geschenk. I am purchasing for him a gift. Then
Mm-hmm.
sie, she would change to ihr, to her or for
Mm-hmm.
her. Then s
Mm-hmm.
would change to ihm, to it or for it.
Mm-hmm.
Then wir would change to uns, that would remain same. Ihr would
Mm-hmm.
also remain same. Wir, uns, ihr, euch. Aber sie would change to ihnen. Ihnen with small I, and then sie, another ihnen with capital S, that would change to ihnen with capital I.
Okay.
So do one thing,
Mm-hmm.
before we do more exercises, note down this table where we have
Mm-hmm.
pronouns, nominative, accusative, and dative. Make 3 sections and note down all of them, and then we would
Okay.
proceed.
Okay.
Geschrieben?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So here we have some more exercises which are done already. Let's review them and then we'll practice. So, ich
Okay.
gebe ihm ein Auto. So I am giving him ein Auto. So let's say I am giving him. So let's say if I have to write it her, I am giving her ein Auto. So what would change? What would change here? Ihm would change to.
Our in would change to her ear.
Okay. Now die Schwester hat ihrem Lehrer die Antwort gesagt. So what is the
Sorry.
dative case here? Hello.
Yeah.
I'm
Your
saying.
screen is frozen again.
Uh, just done sharing it and sharing it again. Fine.
Hmm.
Moving now.
No. I think so. There's some lag. Okay. Now it's come.
Okay.
Okay. Die Schwester hat ihrem Lehrer.
So what is the dative case here?
Ihrem Lehrer. Die Antwort. Die Antwort. Lehrer. Ihrem
Okay.
Lehrer.
Yes. So let's say if I change Lehrer to Lehrerin,
Mhm.
what would change here
Mhm.
in Eram Lehrer? What would you put on place of Eram Lehrer?
Ihr
If
Lehrer.
no. If I change Lehrer
Uh-huh.
to Lehrerin,
Uh-huh.
so it was for Lehrer, it was Eram Lehrer. So which means
Okay.
her teacher, her male teacher.
Uh-huh.
Let's say I change
Uh-huh.
Lehrer to Lehrerin. So what would you place here
Where?
in this blank?
Ihr Lehrerin, right?
Ihrer Lehrerin.
Yeah, ihre Lehrerin.
Yes, her Lehrerin. Ihr plus since Lehrer
Ihre.
is female, so the would change to their. So ihr
Okay.
plus their ihrer Lehrerin. So
Ihre
here,
Lehrerin.
what has been done? Since Lehrer is like their Lehrer, in dative case that would be them Lehrer, right? So ihr
Mm-hmm.
plus dem Lehrer, ihrem Lehrer. Similarly,
Okay.
if there is Lehrerin, so their Lehrerin
Their,
would be like
their, their.
yes, ihr plus their Lehrerin would be ihrer Lehrerin.
Okay, ihre Lehrerin. Okay.
So, order, just writing it here. Is it clear why ihrem Lehrer or why ihrer Lehrerin?
Yeah, because ihrem Lehrer is dative and ihre Lehrer is accusative.
No. No, you're
No.
getting it all wrong.
No, sorry. No, it's a female.
Yes.
Female
So the
teacher.
change,
That's the reason.
yes. So the change has been done in terms of the like the gender of the particular
Gender.
dative.
Gender of the
Yes,
case.
because I am asking these like miscellaneous questions so that this whole table, along with their, the,
Mm-hmm.
thus, along with this
Mm-hmm.
table is 100% clear in your head because
Okay.
at times it gets very confusing. We
Mm-hmm.
at times what happens we end up putting the right pronoun here, but we make
Mm-hmm.
mistake when it comes to changing the gender as per the dative case. So that is why everything
Okay.
should be clear here. How the gender
Okay.
would change, how the article would change, and how the pronoun case would change.
And the article and pronoun. Okay.
Yes. So, just like giving another example for this, say I have to write here something here in, let's say not pronoun, but I have to write here personal pronoun. So, let's say I have to write die Schwester hat meinem Lehrerin die Antwort gesagt. So I have to use my here. So I would be using
Mhm.
my name.
Mhm.
My name. So error was her, and my name would be mine.
Mine.
So that would be my name, mine plus their also their Lehrerin. So that would be mine plus
Mine. Air.
their.
There.
Is it clear? Miner by miner
Mm.
Lehrerin.
Yeah, because it's a teacher. That's why. Lady teacher.
Yep.
Female
So
teacher.
mine plus their Lehrerin. Now Nummer 3. Der Sohn gibt seiner Mutter eine Blume. So what is their Sohn? Nominative oder Akkusativ?
Their zone is nominative.
What is accusative here?
Accusative sein Blumen.
Eine Blume.
Blum. Eine Blume. Yeah.
And what is dative here?
Seine Mutter.
Seine Mutter bedeutet?
Seine Mutter is my mother. His
My
mother.
mother? His mother.
No,
Seine.
his mother. Yeah,
So
sein.
sein plus
Sein
their
plus
Mutter.
the.
Their Mutter.
Yeah, sein plus their Mutter.
So seiner Mutter.
Seiner Mutter.
Had it been Vater, had it Vater,
Seinem Vater.
seinem,
Seinem Vater.
und had it been Kind,
Then sein M. Kind.
yes, again,
Seinen. Seinen. Kind.
yes, let's say, so
Because
again it would be
masculine
seinem,
and neutral are the same.
yes. So let's say, now I'm changing this complete dative case. Here we were saying the son gives his child or mother a flower, but now I have to say the son, their son, gift uh, to me. Eine Blume. So here, in case of to me, what would be putting here? See the table
To
here.
me, that meinem. Uh,
To me,
to
to
me,
me.
right? To mir.
Not to mir, only mir. Mir bedeutet itself
No,
to me.
mir.
Only mir.
So mir. Mir. Eine Blume.
Yes. Because previously, when we were writing seinem,
Mhm.
when we were writing Entschuldigung, seinem oder seiner, when we have written seinem oder seiner Mutter, so we were
Mhm.
talking about here the personal
Mhm.
pronoun, because mein, dein,
Okay.
sein personal pronoun. But when I say
Mhm.
only to me, when we say
Mhm.
mir here, that is only pronoun. That is not personal pronoun. That is pronoun only in dative, and that
Okay.
was personal pronoun in dative.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now, Nummer 4. Kannst du
Mhm.
uns dein Auto leihen? What is the accusative case here?
The accusative case is dein Auto,
Accusative case is auto. And then what is
and
dative
uns.
case?
Dative case is uns,
And
and
what is,
nominative is du.
so here what is uns? What does the sentence says?
Are. Can you lend an auto to us?
Yes, can you lend a car to us? So here
Uh,
basically,
the cost.
हमने यहाँ पे dative के लिए लिखा है us.
Mm-hmm.
Now,
Mm-hmm.
let's say I want to write, mm, I want to write here to him.
To
Now, what
him.
would change? Uns would become
Ons would become im.
im.
Yeah.
This im.
Yeah.
In is in accusative case. Im, m is dative case.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Nummer few. Euch
Mm-hmm.
gebe
Mm-hmm.
ich jetzt das quiz. So now find out
Okay.
the placement has been the position of the object, subject and second object has been displaced here a little bit. Now find out which one is the dative case or accusative case.
So I is the nominative, das quiz
Ich.
is the accusative,
Hmm?
and
Hmm.
oish is the dative.
Yes. So oish means here is this
Uh,
formal or
is
informal?
this is informal
Yes,
because it's
ear.
year.
Yes, ear, not ear, ear. This
Yeah,
particular
year.
to you all,
Uh,
informal.
to your year.
Yes. Now, let's say I have to say here, and on place of oish, I want to say you.
Mm.
So what would I
Okay,
put
you.
here instead of oish?
You. If you want to put you, you can put z.
In
Only
dative,
you. Then we do.
do
Do means dear.
and dear, that would be for
Yeah.
informal, and for formal, what it would be?
For formal, it would be z.
That would be ihnen here. Z would change to
Now,
dative.
sorry to Eamon. Okay,
Yeah,
yeah. I'm not taking the last part of it. Yeah, in
no problem. So dear
Eamon.
would ihnen, ihnen with capital I.
Yeah, because it's
Yep,
formal.
yep. Now, Nummer 6, die Fotos habe ich meinem Freunden gezeigt.
Okay,
Find out the
ish will
case.
be nominative.
Hmm.
Mine and Freunden is accusative, and dative is the photos. No, photos is dative, accusative, and mine and
Hmm.
Freunden is dative.
Yes, meinen Freunden. And warum
Freunden,
meinen?
Freunden, and
Warum?
because mine plus then is for Freunden.
Yes, so that is plural.
Plural, yes.
So let's say if I'm replacing Freunden with Freundin,
Mhm.
die Freundin. So what changes would
Mhm.
happen here in the pink highlighted area?
And the pink highlighted area will become a minor
Yes,
Freunden.
there
Freund.
meiner Freundin.
Freund.
Nein, meiner Freundin. Das ist
Freund.
Freundin is die Freundin, na?
Freunden, yeah.
And then
Yeah.
let's say I am putting it here. The photos habe ich mein. Let's say I am putting Vater here. So what would
Mhm.
you change? How would you change the article?
Uh,
Also
so it will
unbestimmte Artikel.
be einem Vater.
Meinem,
Einem Vater. Meinem
mein,
Vater, sorry.
meinem Vater oder
Vater.
meiner Mutti. Because Vater is
Meinem
their
Mutti.
Vater, which would change to dem.
Mhm.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So here another table which we have. This is something should be clear because this is we have done already. Now here we do not have the answers. Here you have to see whether to put them, their, them or the then. These are the articles in dative which you have to
Mhm.
put. So take 2 minutes and do the exercise and let me know the answers.
Okay.
So whatever you write, like whatever name
Mhm.
you made, do you write it in your notebook or you write it in Word document?
I write in the Word document.
Okay. At times you should write it in your notebook also,
Okay.
because
Yeah,
that
I
is
will
a
write.
like little better way of practicing. Because in exam
Okay.
also, if in exam also, since it's going to be an offline exam, you'll have to write it with your hand, not on the Word document. And there are high chances
Okay.
whenever you keep on typing something and not writing, so the spelling errors can be there.
Uh-huh.
That's why.
Okay. Okay, I will write everything. I'll get it done by this week.
Okay. That is okay. Take your own time. Do it as per your convenience. But at times you should write it with your hand also, not just in Word document, but in
Okay.
your hand also.
Okay. Yeah, for the spelling mistakes. Yeah.
Yep.
Uh, so I would like to say like this: Ich kaufe meinem Vater
Hmm.
einem Kreuzer zum Geburtstag.
Cravat.
Yes. Krawatte zum Geburtstag.
Hmm.
That's the one, right? First,
Uh, okay. What is cravata?
Krawatte.
Cravata is tie, and that is the
Sorry,
cravata. Cravata is tie, basically tie.
tie.
Tie. That's
Okay.
the cravata.
Okay.
So here you have said my name,
My
Vater,
name,
Vater.
einem Krawatte.
Okay. In a moment. Here you have to fill the accusative case also.
Okay.
Now tell me. Because here there are blanks for accusative also and then for dative also.
Okay. So it'll be den Krawatte.
My name
So
Vater,
eine.
that is Christish, that is dative
Uh-huh.
case, and then
So
I'm
einen.
I know the Kravater. That is
Eine. Die
accusative
Krawatte. Okay. Okay. Eine Krawatte.
because that is accusative case, no? Kravata is accusative here,
Uh-huh.
and then the
Uh-huh.
Kravata would remain the Kravata. So I know
Die
only.
Krawatte. Eine Krawatte. Okay.
Yeah. Then Nummer zwei.
Die Studenten sagen, äh, den, den
Think,
Lehrerin,
think, and then tell me.
Lehrerin, dem Lehrerin.
Dem is for masculine and for neutral.
Sorry, this is for plural, right? So it is they, den,
That is the female.
female, yeah. Lehrerin, female, so it will be den.
That would be there.
There, okay. Ah, there, yeah. So
Dem is plural.
dem and there. Okay.
Yep. Yeah, yep. Hmm. And then in second blank, that is accusative case, antworten. So what would you put here in the blank?
Where? Screen is frozen. I can't see.
Uh, Let me join in again. I think something is wrong.
Uh-huh.
Visible now?
Yeah, still not come. Yeah, now it's come.
Okay. So what would you put in the second blank? That is accusative. You understood it, right? Why it is accusative?
Yeah,
Okay.
plural will be den.
In accusative case, what would be the plural?
In accusative case, the plural will be mm,
The only, na?
the. Yeah,
Only
the antworted.
there changes in accusative case. You hear?
Mm, yeah,
They only, and then the, das, and the.
the.
Yep. Now, Nummer 3. Kannst du dash man sein dash super bringen? What does this sentence mean first?
Can you? What's this again? I couldn't see. Your screen is frozen. Okay, now. Can you bring the soup? Can you bring the soup to the man, please?
Yep. So soup is
So,
accusative, man is dative,
mhm,
and then do is
mhm.
nominative. So tell me, what would you
Can
put?
do them
Can't
or
do, not can do.
can't do them, or it'll
Okay.
be can't do them. So it'll be in other words, if you're using it as a pronoun, it'll be there. So it's can't do them,
Can't do they
man,
man. They man.
um, can't do them, man, then.
Super is the super.
Super is the super. So it'll be, yeah, it'll be the
Hmm.
sein the super
So
bringen
that would be seine.
seiner
Sein plus the. So seine super. Kannst du
seiner.
dem Zaina, super bringen bitte. Can you bring the soup? Can you bring the to this man his soup? Zaina, super, his soup.
Yeah, soup.
Now, Nummer 4. Wir kaufen dash Kind
Wir
ein dash Eis. Ice is ice cream. That is
wer
das.
kauft. Okay.
So this Kind is accusative or
Can't
that?
kind is dative. Dative, yeah.
Hmm.
Because you're bringing it for the kind, right? So for
Right.
whom? For the kind.
Yep.
And eins is will be the accusative. So
Yes.
it'll
Because
be,
what are we buying?
yeah. So it'll be so if it is dative, it'll be them kind.
Hmm. Sehr schön.
And and for the this will be uh, ein ice.
Only ein ice. There would be no,
Yeah.
nothing
No,
should be
nothing will
filled
be
in
because
the
it'll be
line.
changed.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
nothing
ein
will
would
change
be
because it's a
ein. Yes, because that is accusative and then
neutral.
article is das. Right.
That's
Now, Nummer 5. Morgen gebe ich.
mine. So this will be mine Freund. So it will be dative, and it will be minor Freund.
Das ist plural. Freunde, friends.
Okay,
Plural.
plural. So it will be meinen Freunden. Meinen Freund.
And yep. Meinen Freunde. And then
And this will be again plural, and it will be mine accusative. Dein, no? So it will be
it's the only.
the. So it will be
Hmm?
so it's the
Yeah. Because yes, plural would remain the only. No changes.
same. Yeah,
So
no
morgen
changes.
gebe ich meinem Freunde die Weihnachtsgeschenke.
The
Weihnachtsgeschenke bedeutet
Weihnachtsgeschenke, I think so. It's a feast gift or festival gift
Weihnacht is
or
Christmas and then
wedding
Geschenke is gift. So Christmas presents.
Christmas present. Okay,
Weihnacht is basically Christmas.
Christmas.
Is this particular
This one.
table clear?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Now another one. Now here just tell me the answers directly, what you have to consider. We have to, in all the blanks, we have to put the pronouns only in dative case. So what we would be putting here?
Ich kaufe, ich kaufe mich. If it's dative mir.
You check the
You,
bracket. It
sorry.
has written in the
Okay, ich kaufe dir. Dear.
of a deer. Okay.
And
Ein
next
Buch.
one is mir.
Keep on telling me the meaning also of the sentence.
Okay. Ich kaufe mir einen Kuchen gebacken. Toll. Dir. Then
What is the
wir
meaning of
sagen
what?
uns. I I brought a book for his birthday, for your birthday.
Hmm.
Then have you a cookbook for baking? Have you brought a cookbook for me?
No. So hast du mir einen Kuchen gebacken? So Kuchen is cake.
Cake. Okay.
So
Have
that is
you
der
cooked
Kuchen. So
a cake?
einen gebacken is basically the third form of backen, to bake.
Okay.
Have
Have
you
you baked
baked
a cake for me?
cake for me, right? Now Nummer 3.
Then wir sagen uns die Wahrheit. So will you tell me the truth? Will
It's not a
you
question,
all
it's
tell
a
me the?
statement.
Okay, we are saying the truth to everyone,
To you all. So you all.
to you all.
So what you
Uns,
would you all is?
uns.
Uns is us, not you all. You all is ear
Okay,
in
you all.
nominative.
Year, yeah, year.
So what that would change to? Ear would change to?
Year would change to year.
See the table you have written.
1 second. Uh, Year, which euch.
Yes. That is informal, or maybe ihnen would be formal.
Union.
We are saying you
Formal.
all
Okay.
the truth. So euch, informal,
Mm-hmm.
and then ihnen with capital I, formal.
I.
Now, Nummer 4.
Number 4 is ihm. Er hat ihm. Er hat ihn. IH. And
In oder ear
it's her,
is
right?
right. So her
So
would
if
be,
it's
Z
year,
would change to,
Z would change to year.
yes, ear. And what does this sentence mean?
Then he had given her the ring.
Yes. So now I'm just like asking you multiple questions. Air. So air is nominative here. Ear is dative
Mm-hmm.
here, and then den ring is accusative. So
Mm-hmm.
since we have written den ring here, what can you tell me the article of ring? Is this masculine, feminine, or plural, neutral? Den
Den ring.
ring. Yes. So is it masculine, feminine, or neutral?
Den is masculine, feminine. Den is accusative. Them,
Yes,
den.
it is accusative. I understood that, but I'm asking, what is the article or what is the gender of ring? Masculine, neutral, or feminine?
Masculine. Masculine.
Because it is den ring.
Den. Den ring,
Yep,
yes.
yep, there shown. Now, number few.
Yeah. Screen is frozen.
Mm-mm. Better?
No. Part which is showing that's now it's gone. It's come. Can ish you formal. Can ish
Can-ish,
you
not can-ish.
can ish. Okay, yeah. Can ish dash eine Tasse Kaffee bringen.
Hmm.
Mm, so it's you formal will be Ihnen.
Ihnen with capital I or small I?
Capital I because it's formal.
What does this sentence say?
Can I bring uh bring a coffee? What do you call that? Bring
Eine,
coffee for you.
yes, 1 cup
Can
of
I bring a
coffee
coffee for
for
you?
you.
1 cup of coffee for you.
Yes, Tasse is cup. Eine Tasse Kaffee, 1
Cup.
cup of coffee.
Hmm.
Okay. The like overall topic, how does the dative cases work in
Hmm.
bestimmt article, then in pronoun, and then in personal
Hmm.
pronoun. Is it clear?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, so now let's move forward with our next topic, which is dative only, but dative
Hmm.
prepositions. So
That.
we have 8 type of dative prepositions, and this is the short form to learn the dative prepositions. That is Nawab's message.
Nawab's message.
Yep. Like for accusate, we have Bo Fudge. That is,
Hmm. Both.
so this Una feud,
Both.
then
Yeah.
Doge gegen
This
England.
no huge. No huge.
Yep. So
Okay.
similarly,
Nawab's is
Nawab's message for dative. Now we'll
okay.
see
Knock.
which alphabet stands for what. So we have Aus. This is the pronunciation. You can just leave this part. So Aus,
Okay.
that
It's
means
screen is hung. The screen's hung
internet
up again.
slow है क्या भैया?
I think so. There's some problem.
In the internet, I think.
Hmm.
Better?
No. Yeah. Now it's come.
Okay. So now we have 8 type of native prepositions. First one is
Hmm.
aus. That
Hmm.
means from
Hmm.
any country. So from any country or any city, basically, when you use in
Hmm.
terms from, or maybe out of something, inside something, and then
Hmm.
outside something, out of something. Something is coming out of something. So for that
Okay.
we would be using aus. And
Okay.
then we have ouser. So what is the difference between aus and ouser? Aus is out of, and ouser is besides or except for something.
Okay.
Except this, I can do this, or besides this, I can do this. So ouser is
Hmm.
except of something or
Okay.
besides something.
So it's like an
Now,
option.
yes, yeah, like apart from something or except.
Okay.
Now we have by. So by is
Hmm.
something where we can use it like 2 3 places. One is like
Hmm.
near, when you are near to something, then you can use by,
Hmm.
or
Hmm.
when you want to say at. So at can
At
be used basically at 2 places. One is for any particular place, like
or a company.
you are living at your parents' place. So at your parents' place,
Hmm.
by thy name, by
Hmm.
thy name,
Hmm.
Elchon. So
Okay.
when I'm at somebody's place, so either you can,
Hmm.
for that particular at, you can use by, or when you're working at a firm. So ich arbeite bei Kerscher. So for firms, for
Hmm.
organization, we use by. For place
By.
or
Okay.
for firm, at. Now we
Okay.
have mit. Mit is with or by.
Hmm.
By.
Hmm. Hmm.
Nach, then after or to. Nach as in like
Okay.
after something, that particular nach,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
or to, that is for country or place or city. Also, ich fliege nach
Okay.
Deutschland. So nach, then you can use with a
Okay.
country.
Okay.
That means two. This particular two. Now we have Zeit. This can be, that is basically for time frame.
Mm-hmm.
Now you use time frame with two particular words, either since or for. So since is basically
Okay.
like when you use any particular date or any particular year, since that time, since 1990 maybe, or since 2015, something like that, or maybe for I am waiting here for 5 hours. So for both the
Mm-hmm.
cases, when you are mentioning any time frame, you would be using Zeit.
Okay.
Also, ich warte hier seit 6 Stunden. I'm waiting here for 5 hours.
Five.
Not
Five.
pure,
Okay.
not pure,
6.
but seit. Because here you have used time frame.
Okay.
So just to clarify, ich warte hier für dich. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so here, if I am saying like for any person, so I would be using pure. But when I'm saying for 2 hours, for 3 hours, so for that particular for, I would be using Zeit, because here I have used time frame. So that is dative and that is
Okay.
accusative. So this,
Okay.
since this pure is accusative, that's why I have put dir, dish.
This. Okay.
Now we have von.
Phone.
Von is from or by.
Mm-hmm.
So there are like 2-3 ways where you can use by, but there should be a difference while using mit and von. We would be seeing that in examples. So von,
Okay.
von vielleicht 11 Uhr bis 1 Uhr habe ich Deutschunterricht. So from
Mm-hmm.
and then till. So this,
Okay. That's from and bis can be used.
yes. So this particular von, from, is dative, and then zu. Zu is to or at. Ich bin
To or
zu Hause. Oder ich gehe like zu dem Kino.
Mm-hmm.
But when we are using this su, there is one exception which comes, which is house. So when I say I
Okay.
go to house, so for that,
Mm-hmm.
for house only, house is the only exception for which you would not be using su and you would be using nach. So when you would be saying I am going to
Now.
house, you would be saying ich gehe nach Hause,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
then ich bin zu Hause. I am at
Okay.
home and I am going to home.
Okay.
So with house only, this exception comes with the prepositions. Wo bist du?
Okay.
Ich bin zu Hause. Wohin gehst du? Ich gehe nach Hause.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's see some of the examples like sie kommt aus der Stadt. So aus, as we have discussed, is it would be something
From.
from the city.
From.
Yeah. So from house, from any country or city.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say if I have to say this particular sentence says she comes from the city. If I have to say she goes to the city, which preposition you would have used?
Zoo.
Nein, nach.
Knock. Okay.
Nach der Stadt.
So this is
Oder nach
okay.
Deutschland.
It's going
Sie
knock
geht nach
Deutschland.
Deutschland. Because that is basically a country.
Okay.
Now, alle außer mir gehen in. So everyone except me goes to the concert.
Okay.
So außer, except me.
Uh-huh.
besides me.
Okay.
Now, just like to give one more example, to use another preposition for this particular sentence, you can also say Allah, ohne, mich, gehen in, Kino oder vielleicht Konzert. Both the sentences, these two sentences means the same. Like your
Okay.
friend have went to the concert without you or
Okay.
except you, because you are not there with them. The message is same, but the
Okay.
preposition is different. Here in the first one, you have mentioned Allah außer mir, that is dative, everyone except for me. And then in second one, you
Mm-hmm.
have said Allah una mich. This is
Opposite.
accusative because una is accusative preposition. So everyone
Opposite preposition.
without me went to the
Mm-hmm.
keynote or concert.
Okay.
So now the next sentence is wohne bei meiner Schwester. So by, as I said, if you're at somebody's place,
At.
at somebody's
At.
place, so that would be by. So by
Okay.
Schwester is die Schwester. So mine plus der. Meiner Schwester.
Minus with.
Ich wohne bei meiner Schwester. Ich
West.
wohne bei meinem Bruder.
Minus with. Buddha.
Ich wohne bei meinen Eltern. Eltern is die
Eight.
Eltern, plural, so
Eight.
meinen.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Now, wir nehmen dem Hund mit.
Okay.
Mitnehmen.
Along
Yeah, along या फिर or with. You are taking the
with
dog
you.
along with you. Or we are taking the dog along with us. Nach dem Film gehen wir essen. So nach, either you can use,
After.
like as we have seen here, after something, one thing has been done,
Two.
and after one thing something has been done. So nach dem Film, film is there. Film होता das film.
Their film or it is their film because it's them.
Okay, so
So it's
nach
their
dem
film.
Film gehen wir
Mm-hmm.
essen. So after the film gehen wir essen, or nach can be used as we have used here. Nach Berlin oder nach Deutschland,
Okay.
when we are mentioning any country or city or any place.
Okay.
Now the next one, seit, sie trinkt seit 3 Jahren nicht.
Shit.
So 3 Jahren, time frame we have used. So
Yeah.
seit.
Okay.
Yeah. Das Geschenk ist von mir, as in from my side.
From me. From
Yes,
me.
das Geschenk ist von mir. The gift is from me. Something from me which I have given to somebody.
Okay.
Now, so as we have discussed, when we are talking about something going towards something.
Mm-hmm. Go to
So
the
gaze
house.
do, so gaze do, zur Post. Post is the post. Um, that would become there. So su their post. Gaze do su their post. Are you going to the post office?
Post.
Yeah. So any place or any specific destination which we are mentioning, so then we would be using su.
Zoo.
Now some more examples. Sie haben ein Geschenk von ihrem Vater bekommen. So what does the sentence say?
That we you are having a present for your father.
For your father or from?
From your father. He'll be. I think so. It is Sie haben ein Geschenk. He'll be giving you.
Hmm.
haben eingeschrieben. She has a present.
Hmm.
Sorry. Okay. She has a present which will be given by her father or from her father.
Hmm. So here I think this example is like wrong, or maybe conjugation has been done wrong. So ear is basically for female, so it should be sie
Mhm.
hat. She has, because here sie haben states like you have become sie haben,
Mhm.
and then here it's
Mhm.
like contrary, ihrem has been written here, so either this had to be
Mhm.
corrected or this has to be. So since ihrem means her father, so I have changed it to sie
Mhm.
hat. She has become,
Okay.
she has received, bekommen means to get, she has got a present from her father,
From her father.
von ihrem Vater, ihr plus
Mhm.
dem Vater, so ihrem Vater.
Okay.
So
Ihrem father.
Sentence, außer meiner Mutter spricht meine ganze Familie Deutsch.
Except my mother, everyone speaks. Everyone in my family speaks Deutsch.
Yes, my whole family speaks German. Now,
German.
mein plus die Mutter would change to their Mutter. So, außer,
Their mother.
apart from, like except from or besides my mother. Ich fahre am
Mhm.
Wochenende zu meiner
Meine
Tante.
Tante in Minnesota. I'll drive to Minnesota. I'll drive on the weekend to Minnesota. To my aunt in Minnesota.
Hmm. So Sue has been used here for minor tanta, to my auntie. I would be driving on the weekend to my auntie in
My auntie
Minnesota.
in
So
Minnesota.
Sue has been has been written as per tanta. So meine tante. The tanta
Mhm.
that would change to their tante. So meine tante.
Meine Tante.
Yeah. Now let's do some exercises for prepositions.
Mhm.
Now we are bleiben by. So the prepositions are given already. You have to tell me the dative case, how you would put the article, also bestimmt article or unbestimmt article as per the noun in dative case. So wir bleiben bei ein Freund in Madrid.
In einem Freund. Einer Freund.
Freund is there, Freund, na?
It's Freund. Okay, yeah. I thought it's lady.
That is
Einem
Freundin.
Freund. By the einem Freund.
Yep. Oder bei einer Freundin.
Einer Freundin is for female.
Yep. The next one,
Es kommst du mit uh, us? Kommst du mit us? Is your uh, kommst du mit us?
so for us, which preposition, which pronoun you would be using?
Kommst
In
du, kommst du mit wir?
wir would change to.
Wir would change to uns.
Yep. So kommst du mit uns? And then ja, ich komme mit.
You all sie. Ihr.
Ihr
Ihr.
would change to.
So ihr would change to euch.
Yes, ja, ich komme mit euch. And then
Last one will change to mir. Me.
yep, sehr schön. Then the next one,
Wir gehen von äh, Unterricht. Äh, dem Unterricht.
Unterricht is die Unterricht.
The interest. So it will be their Unterricht.
Mhm. Der Unterricht zu
Zu dem
welchem,
Unterricht.
No. Dem
Studentenheim.
Studentenheim.
Studentenheim. This is masculine, right?
Yep.
So Studentenheim will be dem.
Dem. So Studentenheim is something like dormitory, you can say.
Okay.
Yep. So fawn. So what does this sentence means? We have two
We
dative
are
prepositions
going.
here.
We are going for the class to. We are going to the hostel for the class.
No.
We are
From the
going to the.
class. From the class, we are
We
going
are
to
going
the dormitory.
from the class. We are going to the dormitory. Okay.
So fawn,
Phone.
and then
Phone.
from to.
The class we are going to the dormitory.
Yep. Done this, Mafia.
Then wir gehen uh, 6 Haus.
House is that house.
Das Haus, right? So dem House.
And what does this sentence means?
We are going at 10 o'clock uh, to the house. Uh,
House.
yeah, to the house. From we are going home.
So at 10
From the
o'clock,
house.
we are going out of the house.
At 10 o'clock. Out of the house or from the house. Out of the house, yeah.
Yeah. This one?
No. Nach their party because it's female. So
Hmm.
nach their party sind wir nach Hause gegangen. So after the party, we are uh,
We
we
went
are
to the
going.
house.
We went we went to the house.
Sind gegangen, na? So that is perfect. Something
Perfect.
which has
Okay.
happened already. Sind gegangen.
So
Done?
gegangen. That's what it says. We went to the house.
Yes. So das Buch ist on.
From them.
Das ist
For I name.
unbestimmte Artikel there.
I name.
Von nem.
From I name Franciscan author.
Yep. Sieben.
Anna geht zu Verwandten in Deutschland. What is Verwandten? It means searching or roaming.
Verwandten, like relatives.
Okay.
Plural.
Anna went to relatives. So it is them. Zu dem
Verwandten, I said that is plural. Relatives,
plural.
na?
So that will be them and at the end.
To den.
Yeah, because there's an end at the end also. Okay. Ich wohne seit ein Dash Woche hier. Ich wohne seit äh, ich wohne seit einer Woche hier.
What does this mean?
I live from I went I stay I stay I stay for 1 week here.
I am staying here for 1 week. Staying.
I'm staying here for one
Right,
week.
na? So for 1 week. Had it been
Right, yeah.
year here, we would have said since. So I am like
Since
staying in Delhi since vielleicht 2000. Since
okay,
2000. Since the year 2000, I am living in Delhi.
okay, right. Since yeah.
Nummer 8.
Oyster,
Außer,
meinem,
äußer, außer.
außer meinem Freund,
Freunde, das ist Plural.
plural. So außer plural will be meinem, meinen. Außer meinen Freund, then, because if it's a plural n, then will be n. Freunden,
Sehr schon.
weiß nur meine Mutter, das ist krank bin.
Hmm. And what does this sentence mean?
Then except my friend uh, knows my mother, no, except for my friend, my mother, except my friend knows not none. Except my friend, um, my
Only my
mother,
mother knows. Only my
only
mother
my
knows.
mother,
Hmm.
only my mother knows that I was sick. I am sick.
Am. Bin, na? So das
Mhm. Das ist
conjunction here.
krank bin.
And then, so that is why bin has been placed at the end. Because das is in
Mhm.
conjunction.
Conjunction.
Yep. Now, now here are some more prepositions.
Mhm.
This particular section you would be doing
Mhm.
as your homework.
Mhm.
And now we
Okay.
would be proceeding to our next topic, which is
Mhm.
usages of werden.
Well, okay.
So werden is basically the basic or the main usage of werden. That means to tell about something which is going to happen in future. So werden can be
Okay.
will or would. Now there are different
Good.
variations or different tense which can be made from werden, but as of now we would be talking about simple future tense. There are different type of tenses, as you must be aware already. There is passive, there is
Mhm.
conjunctive. So from werden,
Mhm.
perfect passive can be made, then past perfect can be made, and then
Mhm.
conjunctive soy can be made. But as of now, we would be learning werden in the sense of future tense only.
Only future tense. Okay.
Yes. So how we would be conjugating werden? There is
Ich
case.
werde,
Hmm.
ich
Do
werde do words.
nine. Let me open
Then.
it. Give 9 moment.
Mhm.
Yeah. Mm, yeah. So this is like simple
Mhm.
future tense conjugation. So ich werde
Okay.
du
Okay.
this. So the stem would change, e would change to I, and then we would be
Mhm.
adding st as we would do
Uh-huh.
while conjugating with do. Now er wird,
Okay.
wir,
Mhm.
sie, infinitive form
Mhm.
werden, and then ihr
Mhm.
werdet.
Mhm.
So I will,
And
you will, ich werde das machen. I would be or I will be doing this. Then you would be doing this. Du willst etwas machen. You will be doing this. Something in future tense.
okay.
Yeah. Uh,
Mhm.
so werden means also means to become something, to become, like I
Okay.
would become something in future. So for that also
Mm-hmm.
we use like werden, but that is a different case. That is like conjunctive soi, you can say.
Okay.
Yeah. But here I will be doing this particular section only where you use werden as per will. Something will happen in
Okay.
future. So ich werde
Okay.
nach Hause gehen. I would
Mm-hmm.
be or I will be going to home.
Okay.
So the we have 2 Stunden
Okay.
werde ich
Mm-hmm. Uh,
so nach 2 Stunden werde ich.
mm-hmm.
You have
Okay.
placed the time phrase and then verb at second place. Nach
Okay.
2 Stunden werde ich nach Hause gehen.
Mm-hmm.
So after 2 hours, I will be going to home. Something which you would be
Okay.
doing in future.
Okay. Yeah.
Then
Nia,
the
can you give
next,
me 5 minutes because
sure.
I think so the battery is going off. So I'll just charge this. Get
Okay,
a
okay,
charge and come.
okay, sure,
Yeah,
sure.
yeah, thanks. Hello.
Yes, Avya.
Yeah, sorry.
No problem. Just give me a minute. I'm just placing the files in your folder.
Yeah.
Yes. So you can see my screen now. Hello. Hello. Are you there? Hello. यहाँ पे तो कुछ लैग है. Not able. Hello. 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 Savi, can you hear me? Hello. Savio, I can't hear you. Hello.
Yes, hello.
Okay, I think you were on mute. So, you can see my
Huh.
screen now?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay. So, we were discussing Varden. So, as I said, we would be
Yeah.
covering as of now for Varden only future
Mm-hmm.
tense. So, I have placed this particular sheet and the dative case and preposition sheet already in your folder. So, from this
Okay.
particular A2 dative case and dative preposition sheet, you would be doing this green highlighted portion as your homework.
Okay. Okay.
And then if I talk about the second sheet, that is of usages of Varden, here also I have highlighted
Mm-hmm.
the section as of now which we have to learn.
Mm-hmm.
So that is this green highlighted section refers to only the future tense, Varden. So
Okay.
this particular thing, and then we have one, this is the conjugation basically for Varden as per present tense
Mm-hmm.
for future. And then this particular sheet is basically to differentiate, as I have said, there are different form of using Varden. So as of now we would be doing
Okay.
this particular section only. So there are different sentences, and now out of these 15 sentences we have to find out where the future tense has been used for Varden. So let's read all the sentences
Mm-hmm.
one by one and try to figure out where this future has been used, something which you would be doing or something which will happen in future. And then this particular green highlighted section you can do as your homework.
Okay.
So let's do this particular section only and then we would be
Okay.
done for today. Okay. So read
Mm-hmm.
out the sentences one by
So
one.
it'll be like
Hmm.
nächstes Jahr werde ich in Deutschland studieren. So this is a future tense
Yes.
because next
And
year
what
we'll be studying in
hmm?
Deutschland.
Yes. The next one, the
Okay,
house
and das Haus gebaut. This is not a future tense because this is currently.
yes, that is like would
Then
happen, something would
würdest,
happen, that is passive
würd,
basically.
passive tense. Würdest du mir bitte den Salz geben?
Hmm.
Then wirst du mir einen Brief schreiben?
Hmm.
Will you write a letter for me?
Yes.
So that is I think so future, right?
Yes, but here this
Then
weirdest, that is,
Deutschland würde,
hmm,
sorry,
I'm saying this weirdest in number three sentence, that is basically would.
uh,
Would you please
would.
give me
Okay,
the salt? So that is a request. Wooden as
would.
in the phrase of like höfliche bitten,
Okay.
like a polite request to somebody. So that is not of course future. Then Deutschland
Okay.
wurde 1871
Wurde verang,
hm,
vereinigt.
vereinigt.
Then would vereinigt. Wurde 1871 vereinigt. What's vereinigt?
Hmm. So that is like
So what's
Deutschland
Verein?
or German. That is like build or maybe associated.
Okay, so that means it's already passed because the
Yes.
date, I think so, year is already passed, so it's
Hmm.
not a
So
future
that is
tense.
passive case. So here
Pass,
this is passive
passive.
case that has been done already. Now,
Mm-hmm.
warum sind wir nicht informiert worden? Why we were not informed?
Well, informed. So
So
why
that is
we not
perfect.
informed this?
That is not
Mm-hmm.
future tense. In
Current.
present, that is
So
perfect tense.
perfect. Okay.
When
Mein
my
Bruder, wir nicht and wir Uni studieren. My brother would not
not would
and
but will. He will not study.
will will not
Er will.
study in the
At the
university
university. Yes.
at the
So that is
university.
future tense.
Mhm. Then ich werde nächstes Jahr 21st.
Hmm.
I would next year 21. I
Hmm.
will
Yes. So that is also future.
future. Okay, meine Mutter würde sich bestimmt nicht freuen. Mutter would uh, freuen. Uh, my mother um, would never freuen.
Sich freuen. Sich freuen means to
Yeah,
get. That is a reflexive verb.
never. So
It
this
means my
will
mother
be.
definitely would not be happy.
So then I would definitely
Like
not be
something
happy.
which
It's
has
like
happened and
something
yes, something which has done, and due to that, my
already.
mother definitely would not be happy with that particular thing.
So this is not a future.
This is a future.
My mother would not be happy. Okay. It's not done. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Your screen is frozen again. So
Mm, there is some internet lag, I guess. Just unsharing and sharing it again.
yeah. Yeah. That's I think so.
Let me know once you can see.
I think so. It's probably. Yeah. I think so. What happens is early in the morning, or at least in the morning times, there's not much traffic on the internet. But at this time, there's too much traffic because all the people
Yep.
are accessing the net.
Yeah. Yep. Now is it visible?
No. Okay. Now it's visible.
Okay.
Der Schnee wurde von den Straßen weggeräumt. That means the snow
Weggeräumt.
would weggeräumt. That means the
Weggeräumt.
snow
That
would
means
from
has been cleaned away.
the snow from the Straßen has been cleaned away. So it's
Hmm.
already done.
Yes.
So wenn ich reich wäre, würde ich die Welt reisen.
Hmm.
When when I reach where?
Hmm. So that is
What is
basically
where?
that is where that means would. When like when you wish for something, now when this would happen, I would do this.
Uh-huh.
When I would be this much old, I would become this much rich. Or so that is basically your wish, your wish. So that
Wish.
is future. Ideally, it's
Future.
future, but in German that
Hmm?
is counted in conjunctive zwei, something which would be happening in future, but that is a wish.
Hmm.
So that
Okay,
is
but
not
that can be considered
exactly
as a
future.
future.
So that is conjunctive subjunctive. So that is basically a subjective. It might happen or it might not happen because that is your wish.
Okay, so wishes are not counted in future.
No, because that is
Okay.
tentative now. That is not fixed.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. May happen or may not. Okay.
Yep.
So, okay. In December, where es um 16 Uhr schon dunkel. So
Hmm.
in December, then it becomes dark at 4 o'clock.
Hmm.
So in December, it becomes dark at 4 o'clock.
Hmm.
So it's like a in December is dark. So it's like a future thing only, because it's not
Hmm.
yet done, no, till now.
Yep.
Okay, ich werde nach Milwaukee fahren, wenn
Hmm.
mein Auto kaputt war. When I would go, I would drive to Milwaukee when my auto is all right or is not. When my auto is fine, I will drive to Milwaukee. Hello.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay. You okay?
Yep.
Okay. Now the screen is gone.
Uh,
Okay, now it's fine.
Now
So,
it's
air,
im Jahre,
sorry,
Erwild im Jahre
air rate im Jahre 2020 or
20, 2018
2018 gesehen
Jahr.
Jahre alt werden
Yep.
wurde in 2020. This is a future tense because he would in 2020 8 hours, 8 years.
18, 18.
I'm saying, yeah, 18 years. He would be 18 years
Hmm.
in 2020.
He would be 18 years old.
In 18 years old in 2020. So it is a
Hmm.
future thing.
Yes.
And sie wäre im Jahre 1980 geboren. This is already past
Yes.
because he would she would she was born in 1890 1980
Not 18, 1980. Yeah.
1980. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So this future tense is clear.
Yeah.
Yes, I am going like step by step when it comes to this usage of Varden, because there are
Mm-hmm.
four type of usage. Something like Hauptverb,
Uh-huh.
something like to become. I would become a doctor. I would become a lawyer. To become something, something then in
Mm-hmm.
future tense, which you are going to do
Mm-hmm.
in near future. A passive tense,
Mm-hmm.
which was done already. So passive is basically like you can say perfect form of Varden.
Mm-hmm.
So that is passive.
Okay.
So that is Varden
Okay.
plus perfect tense, that becomes passive. Now then it comes conjunctive soi, that is as I said a wish which you would be doing but that may or may not happen. So this gets like all these four forms of Varden gets little confusing. So we would be going with it one by one.
Okay.
That one particular topic is clear. So this
Okay.
future, like future tense, talking about future tense in usage of Varden is pretty simple. It's just you have to look after these five, six conjugation, how the conjugation works, because conjugation with each of the tense, as you can see here, changes. And as of
Okay.
now, we have to do present tense only for future.
Present tense only for future. Okay.
Yep.
Here was okay.
So is this clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
And now, as a homework, as I said, you have to do this particular section green highlighted because that is for future tense. Will do. So you
Mm-hmm.
have to put the conjugation as per the
Okay.
pronoun.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can refer this particular table. So this would be a homework.
Okay.
And then uh, next week we would start some new topics from the book.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Okay.
whatever we have learned so far, you have to do revision. We'll have
Okay.
like quick 30-40 minutes test from
Mm-hmm.
whatever we have learned so far.
Okay.
Okay. So all the
Okay,
topics
that's fine.
we have covered, need to revise them.
Okay.
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 Dann sehen wir uns
Mm-hmm.
am Samstag
Uh-huh.
wie viel Uhr?
9 Uhr. No?
Wie viel Uhr? 9 Uhr. 9 Uhr am
9 Uhr.
Morgen. Yep.
Am morgen.
Yep. Okay. Bis dann.
Okay. Bis dann. Danke. Tschüss.
Tschüss.
Bye.